somebody open it? Ow! Okay. Go! Go, man! Yeah! Hey, don't do that. I know that you're so excited. Oh! It's a big poo-poo. Sorry, it's a big poo-poo. Big poo-poo. Whoa! Whoa! There's more boxes! Oh my gosh! I'll go fast. Whoa! Controller! Controller! I can't poo-poo. Don't say that. Okay. What? What? I'm strong. Strong brain. I'm a strong baby. Can I try? I want to try. I don't like this thing. But I want to try too. Press those. What's this? Oh, no, this one. This one is the one it goes. But can you give me this one starts? I know it. No, not like that. Oh, you have to do be slowly. What? It's the standing. I think that's standing. I think you're right. Standing. Is this? Ow! I hurt my. Whoa! What? What's the standing? What's inside in there? Oh. What's this big, large thingy? It's the. What the? I don't understand this. Oh, there's a big box. This is the SP5. Oh my God! Whoa! What? Real? I want to use this button. You can just put this on. It's too big. Wait, I can open the controller. It's time to open the controllers. Wait, not yet. They will not show it. We need to show it. Wow! Look at this. It's tiny. Those are tinies. And it's time to open another one. We're going to open the controller. Wow. Put it down. It's open. I like this. What are you doing there? No! Bring me down! Get down! Don't bring me down. Whoa! Can somebody do that? Huh? Somebody open that for me. Oh! Here is. Oh, just a suitcase. Is this? Wow! It's nothing. All red. Oh my gosh. Red with black. I like this. It's Basti, look! It's red with black. Just like Spider-Man. Yeah, I know it. I thought you liked Spider-Man! Yeah, you're going to need the charge. I want to play with you! Wow. But this is for the working Basti. What's this? Oh. The controller charge. We need the controller. Oh, it's so cute. Is this the charge? It's time to open the games. How you open it? Wait. Somebody open it. No, I can open it. Okay. It's too hard. I can open. Oh, for Biko. You put it in here. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, you can. I'll put this red thingy. That red controller too. Woo! Can you open it? Ah. Look, something big.
Mediante un cable USB y pulsa el botón.
Wow! I want
Select your language. English, United Kingdom.
I want it,
English,
Daddy.
United States. Aim for Wi-Fi networks.
We want Spidey
Set up
VR.
internet connection. Select a Wi-Fi
I'm
network.
going to get the rabbit there. Okay, I want to see that.
Adjust display area. Screen image large.
Let's go.
Insert a game disc. Button. Select.
Maybe go together later, okay? I want a character.
Color options.
I go?
Control the amount
You
of
put
color
it?
consumed and
Yes, I
features.
put it. Oh, we can play puppets too.
Optimized
Oh,
experience. Button.
Bye later. Yeah, Spider-Man. What is
PlayStation
Spidey?
5 system software license.
I'm going to do
Press the cross button. I agree. Not selected. Select.
There's a lot of five guys. Hi. To www. Hi. Look, I like VR. Hello. Hello. The time is taking.
Which one, Basti?
I want this robot. I want this robot.
Avatar.
Oh, I want to be this. Work
Press cross to select.
Yes, I like this. Let's play the bus. It's five. Ow. Ah. Ow.
PS5.
Oh.
PS5. Game library. PS5. Marvel Spider-Man. Miles Morales. 0%.
I want to play with the robot first, then you can. No, it's Astron. I want to play with Astron. Astron. Oh, shaking. Making sound in here. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Daddy, can you jump from me? Ooh. Can I go in one?
Basti's turn first. Then it's your turn, Ate Sam.
Okay.
He's dancing like you, like Sonic. You can try
Move
this.
forward.
It's Sonic! Yes. Turn on.
Jump, Basti. You have to break the glass.
Oh, break the grass. It's my turn.
Oh, it's Ate Sam's turn on the right one.
Go here. Left side. Jump.
Right
X,
side.
X. Oh.
Good job.
He's our best friend.
You gotta go there in the glass.
Oh, that's punching. There's a dancing again. There's a fun on it. Fun. Oh, fun. Oh, you need this. Look up. You see? Try. I can do it. Oh! Oh! Where's our best friend? Hi! Oh! What is that? Oh! Oh! He's so excited! He's so excited!
Tabi ka kay Basti sana.
Wow, this is controller. PS5. Can I try? Oh, we have to go here. It's our word. Oh,
Oh, let Ate Sam try.
Basti, it's Ate Sam's turn.
Look,
Basti, it's Ate Sam's turn. Basti, come here.
look. It's a baby. Oh, there's a cat. Hi, cat.
I think you need to go over there.
We have to fly! Fly, Sam!
The red one will be yours, okay? I think that's,
Okay.
is that red or pink?
Red with black.
Basti likes white.
Yeah, he likes white with black because I got it first. And then, oh, you scared the cat. It's gone. Oh, punch! You like this? Bang!
are your friends.
Yes, my friends.
You have to go to that next level. You need to put that.